Welcome to this quick tutorial on turning your grease pencil drawings into real 3D meshes in Blender. First, let's draw a simple grease pencil stroke. As you can see, right now it's just a flat stroke. It doesn't react to lights or the environment of your scene at all. Next, switch to the Geometry Nodes editor. Click New to create a fresh geometry node tree. Now add a grease pencil to Curve node and connect it to a Curve to Mesh node. At this stage, your stroke has been converted into a curve, but it still isn't a mesh yet because the Curve to Mesh node is missing a profile curve. To fix that, add a Curve Circle node and connect it to the profile curve input of the Curve to Mesh node. Now you can adjust the thickness however you like. Simply change the radius value on the Curve Circle node or tweak the scale value on the Curve to Mesh node until it looks perfect. And that's it. From now on, every new grease pencil stroke you draw will automatically become a real 3D mesh. Good luck and happy creating!